So I'm going to break down everything that you should expect for quarter four. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business as well as other forms of income that I make online. I also run a community of over 2,000 other FBA sellers and students, so if you want to join for free, hit the link down in the description. But in this video, I'll be covering what you need to know for quarter four. It is approaching and it's coming pretty fast. This year, it's a little different because of the whole pandemic going on. So I'm going to break down everything that you should expect for quarter four. But before we get into it, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you can stay updated with all my new tutorials that come out every week, and hopefully they could help you out with your own Amazon FBA business. But let's get into it. So what do you need to know about Q4 this year? So during Q4, you should experience higher sales, but in return, Amazon is going to charge you more for your storage fees. So I'll put a chart right here, and this is what Amazon charges you per cubic foot. So you can see it's almost quadruple the price from October to December as it is the rest of the year, because this is when most sales come in. It was my best amount of sales last year, so I'm preparing for even more this year, mainly because the pandemic going on. So if you don't know, there's coronavirus going on. Everybody should know. I mean, it's been in the news. But this year, we should expect a lot more sales, but Amazon is going to be slammed because they are actually pushing back Amazon Prime Day. It's usually in quarter three, but now they're pushing it into quarter four. So now you have Prime Day, you have Christmas, you have Black Friday, and the main thing is people aren't going to go out shopping in retail because of the pandemic. A lot of older people are probably scared to go in public, so that means they're going to be jumping on Amazon and buying stuff. So you have to be ready to get all those sales, but also be prepared for major delays when you're shipping from China to Amazon. When they're scanning in your inventory, right now they have limits on the amount of inventory you could send in, but they are supposed to lift those limits on August 16th if your IPI score is above 500. So right now, how I'm dealing with this whole thing is I'm sending my inventory directly to my house. I know some of you don't have that option because you're in other countries, but you can look into 3PLs, and I have another video on that. But I am sending my inventory to my house, and I'm shipping in small amounts of my inventory into Amazon's warehouse so I could stay in stock. The shipping from my house to Amazon is a lot quicker and cheaper than sending it from China to Amazon. So right now, I just actually did one carton and it was only $6, so that's how I am preparing. But when it comes to Q4, you don't know if they're going to get overwhelmed, if the virus is going to get worse. So the best case scenario is to have your inventory ready, and the quickest way to get it to Amazon is having it at your location because it's already in the country. If you live in the US, if you're in another country, you will have to try other options, but this is how I'm preparing, so get ready. So the storage fees go up. That's one change. We have Prime Day that's going to be in Q4. There could be other limits going on. We don't know how bad the virus is going to get, but now you should expect the worst because this is the busiest time of the year. Shipments are getting delayed. Customs will take longer, so you should be ready for that. So if you are planning to sell during Q4, right now is almost the perfect cutoff time because you have to get your products made and then it has to get sent into Amazon. So you're looking at about a month to 2 months before it gets scanned into Amazon's warehouse, depending on the shipping speed. So as you're getting samples right now, keep in mind how long it's going to take to get the products to Amazon, and then how bad Amazon is going to get backed up for all these other people sending stuff in. With the whole pandemic going on, it could get crazy, but we don't know yet because it hasn't happened. And this time of year, we've never had Prime Day in Q4 from what I know. I'm going to put a little thing right here, but you could read it. It's going to be different this year than all the other years. So be prepared. We should get a lot more sales, which is good for us, but hopefully Amazon could handle all of this traffic. All right, so get ready, be prepared, and get ready for all those sales. But that is it. I hope you liked this video. Hit that subscribe button if you did. Hit that like button. Follow my Amazon FBA community on Facebook by hitting the link down below. I also have discount codes and other trainings below. So if you want to check it out, just look below. All right, that is it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.